Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise-canceling headphones. And trust me, they're designed to silence your world. From your bustling commute to a busy office, the industry-leading noise cancellation virtually erases distractions, letting you focus purely on your music or work. It's not just quiet, it's an immersive, unparalleled audio experience that truly sets these apart from competitors. Forget charging anxieties with an incredible 30-hour battery life, ensuring your soundtrack lasts through the longest flights or work weeks. Need to switch seamlessly between your laptop and phone? The handy multi-point connection makes it effortless, boosting your productivity and convenience. These aren't just headphones. They're an essential upgrade for anyone seeking premium sound quality and ultimate tranquility. If you're looking for the best noise-canceling headphones on the market right now, the XM5s are a serious contender for your next purchase. I've linked directly to the product on Amazon in the description below, so you can check out current deals and read more reviews. Investing in the Sony WH-1000XM5 means investing in your peace, focus, and superior audio. Don't wait to experience the difference. These are undoubtedly the headphones you've been searching for.